What's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel CLASS9 classes. Today once again I am Vidyasagar is present in front of class 9 to discuss subject physics. Here I am going to discuss about motions. So please like the channel, share and subscribe it. Today I am going to discuss about the velocity time graph. In the previous classes I have discussed the distance time graph. In distance time graph, if we consider the displacement, then it would be helpful for us to find the velocity, and we have to describe the velocity time graph here. So please like the channel, share and subscribe it. Look at here, the velocity time graph gives we can draw the velocity time graph for the velocity when the object in the state of rest, when the object in the state of uniform velocity, and when the object in the state of non-uniform velocity. When it is in the form of non-uniform velocity, then there are two conditions. One, when the velocity is accelerating its velocity, and second is when the object is decelerating its velocity. And when the velocity is in the case of non-uniform velocity means its velocity sometimes may be accelerating or sometimes it may be decelerating. So please try to understand how the graph is plotted for it. We plot the graph for the body in the state of rest is at the origin. There is no change in the positions at all. So we can say that there is it is a graph for showing the velocity time graph when the body is in the state of rest. Here there is no change. It is the velocity time graph for the object that is in the state of rest. And the second, here I have plotted the velocity time graph when the body is moving with uniform velocity. Here it is the slope. It is the slope. It gives us acceleration. So here what we have observed, here during first second we observe the object is moving with the velocity of 5 meter per second, and during second during in 2 seconds the velocity is moving with the velocity of 10 meter per second. In third second the object is moving with 15 meter per second. In fourth second the object is moving with 20 meter per second. In the same way, so we are observing here the slope of the velocity time graph for uniform motion is a straight line. It gives the acceleration, the rate of change of velocity. So we can say that this is the accelerating motion, because there is acceleration here. Now in the third case here we take the example such types of velocity that started from origin, right? And here it is the another case of uniform velocity when the object starts to move after some definite velocity. Suppose an object is moving from 10 meter per second. We start to observe from that velocity. So here we have to draw the graph. We have to plot the graph from origin. Whatever the velocity given initially, from that point we have to plot the graph. So it is the accelerating motions, not starting from origin, not starting from rest. It have some definite velocity initially, right? Now this is the case of velocity that is not started from the state of rest. It means it have initial some velocity. So we plot the graph giving the slope not passing through the origin. Now in the fourth case the velocity is decreases. That is, it is the state of retardations. Here initially we observe a body is moving with the speeds of 20 meter per second. After time, it decreases its velocity and finally it goes to a stop. So here we observe the velocity that is decelerating. Yes. Now the velocity is it is in the fourth case. It is in the case number 4, the situation of retardations. Here we have plotted the graph that started from here and reached to here. It indicates in this way. Motion is retarded, right? Retarded motion, retarding or decelerating motion. Now, fifth case, here the velocity is changing. It is non-uniform velocity. It may be accelerating or decelerating. Here observe during the first second the velocity we observe for an object is 5 meters per second. In the second we observe the velocity 10 meters per second. In third we observe the velocity 20 meters per second. After that we observe the velocity is decreases and it becomes 10 meters per second. Then in 6 seconds 10 meters per second, and after 7 seconds we observe again the velocity reached up to 20 meters per second. So here we are observing that the velocity is increasing or decreasing. Both are happen after a fixed period of intervals. So this is mixed velocity, we can say that, right? So please, today up to here I am going to stop my video. In the next video we shall meet again. Till that I want to say thank you, goodbye, see you.